in the brain of McCann Lake.
This was just like the sweetest little surprise.
Hi guys, I thought I'd finally intro this vlog. You know when you wake up kind of with like a scratchy throat and you're just like, am I getting a cold or do I just need some water? Well, today was my third morning waking up with that. So yeah, I am getting a little bit of a cold, but that's okay. I still woke up for sunrise. I wasn't feeling like my best this morning, but I'm glad we went and now I'm feeling a lot more alive after I've been drinking. I've probably been drinking like 5 cups of like lemon and honey water. I've been taking like my cough drops. I've been having like Celtic salt and lemon, so like I don't know, I'm just doing everything I can to try to feel better, and of course healing in the sun. So now that I feel a little bit more alive, Luke and I are going to hike this waterfall he hasn't been to before, and I wanted to like show it to him, so we're gonna go have a little waterfall date.
Oh, I got these two.
What's this? Oh, is it a booty?
Amino boost.
I hate these.
Yeah, they're hard.
The ones with the turmeric roots, they're so spicy.
Turmeric and pepper.
And pepper?
Yeah, but this one's gonna suck.
This one is black pepper.
I don't know.
Have immunity. It says high kick. There's a kick level.
This is high kick. Okay,
Oh,
you just
God.
gotta like.
Literally, you can see the pepper.
You just gotta down it.
Why is there pepper in it?
One go. Ready?
No. I'm not ready.
Cheers. Oh,
I'm not even done.
it like feels healthy. I got it in ya. Ooh. That like opens up the airways. Woo! There you go. There, that's good. Alright.
Alright, let's go find this waterfall. Kind of slippery out here. This is an aspen. You can tell it's an aspen by the way it is.
How are you feeling?
I'm okay. My throat is like a little bit sore, but I feel like the waterfall will heal me. We're almost there.
She's flowing?
Yeah. It's flowing.
Oh, wow. What are you thinking?
That I really want to swim in there, but I know it's going to be really cold. I just got spoiled. Like I never used to be like that. I never used to be like a cold water wimp. But now that I live here, it's still going to go in now because I can't not swim.
In the brain of McCann Lake.
I tried.
How was it?
Oh, it was good. My chest is like, my throat's like a little bit sore. It didn't heal me, it probably made things worse. But it was worth it, it was nice. I'm gonna give it, oh, I feel bad. I'd probably give that as like a 6 out of 10.
Yeah.
10 out of 10 hanging out with you.
Oh, wow. That's
But 6 out of 10, like waterfall. So today it wasn't really pumping, and also because the wind. I feel like if it was sunny, I would have had like a different vibe. me. What about you? What's your rating?
No, I was gonna say like an overall 7.
An overall 7?
I'd say a 7, a little higher than a 6, because like it was fun.
But this was your first time there. I feel like last time I went it was like better for me.
Right. And I got some really nice shots of you that maybe she'll put up here. But,
but hanging out with me was 10 out of 10, obviously.
Yeah.
11.
11, always.
Like 100.
Always, yeah.
We're gonna go do what, ocean dip?
Oh, ocean dip, yep.
Go find the sun.
Go find the sun.
Have we tried to like leave early for sunset? Or still rushing to catch sunset? Like I don't think there's been like one time where we're like there and like waiting for the sun to go down.
You still have like an hour at least.
Okay, we're off to sunset. I think we're actually, I don't want to say we have plenty of time, but we have time. And Luke surprised me. He got us tiramisu with our pasta order.
Ooh, tiramisu.
I'm so excited. We got our little pastas that we're gonna go take to have our sunset picnic. I'm so excited because we're making it at a sunset in time, and I'm sick of, dare I say, I'm sick of having poke, okay, for sunset. I wanted to switch it up. I wanted some pasta. It says never sick of poke. That's your beige flag that you'll eat poke every single night.
Not true. I don't have it that often.
But you would.
But I would. But like no, because if I would, then I would.
Anyways, we're switching it up with pasta for sunset tonight. So typical, they're moving a lifeguard stand. Okay, good morning guys. So I actually did get pretty sick and I was down bad for a couple of days and I get pretty bummed out. Like I don't do well with having to like stay inside, but I think that was the universe just telling me I need to slow down a little bit. So I did, and now I'm back and I'm better. And this morning Lutz and I just drove up to the North Shore. We went and got some coffee. I did my Pilates class and that class kicks my butt every single time. And now we're gonna go meet up with our friends to go snorkeling. And Lutz actually surprised me and booked us this little cabin on this fruit farm. So we're gonna do like a little staycation up here on the North Shore and spend the whole weekend, I guess, up here. So I'm super excited for that. But yeah, so come along for, I guess, like now a week in my life in Hawaii. Back from Greece. Ready to go snorkeling.
Wait, Ben, how do you say hello in Greek?
If it's multiple people,
Oh,
yes.
yes,
Yes.
yes.
And then how do you say I'm back in Hawaii?
Aloha.
Aloha.
Secret spot I've never seen before.
You never heard of it.
You never heard of it, Mon.
You never have ever seen it before.
We'll take you there, Mon, but we must blow for
You
you
don't
first.
believe me.
Don't you know?
Wait, this looks kind of fire though.
Saw some sea turtles. We jumped off. I would say
Oh, like an
But
10 foot?
he was 10 feet? What are you talking about?
Yeah, like
The turtle or the rock?
The rock. Like what we jumped off.
Oh, we were talking about the sea turtle.
Oh,
What sea turtles were you seeing? We're just gonna go check in now to our little staycation, fruit farm, Airbnb stay. Oh my gosh, adorable. And it's so peaceful here, so welcome to our humble abode for the night. All checked in. We did camp here last year on my birthday. They have like car camping sections, so we did that, but Luke's actually booked us the little like glamping tent this time. It is so cute and it's gonna be so peaceful. I'm so excited to sleep here tonight. But I'm gonna go have a little rinse and then we're gonna go meet up with the gang for Taco Tuesday.
Caught in 4K.
This was just like the sweetest little surprise, and this just knows me so well because I'd always like choose something like this over like a staycation, like a hotel or something like that. I just like love camping, glamping, all the things. But yeah, everyone just came and met us here. We're gonna do a little bonfire. We got some s'more stuff, so hanging by the fire for a bit, and then I'm gonna sleep like a baby here tonight. Night, Ben.
Yeah, you guys are quiet. Hey!
Good morning. Guys, we had a pretty good sleep. Except the rooster was like cock-a-doodle-dooing at like 3 a.m. Like that's fine if you do that for sunrise, but he was like went way too early. So I was like running around this morning trying to scare him off. But other than that, I actually did have a really good little rest. That's the culprit.
Do we know that for sure? Do you think that's the one that you were chasing?
That's close.
That was close.
Okay. Oh, I touched it. Okay, one more time. Oh, you're gonna have to get it.
That's so sad for you.
Wow.
Papaya. Did the birds get it?
Good morning. You're so sweet. That's the end of our little staycation. It was so perfect, so I'm kind of sad it's over, but it was just like a really peaceful, amazing little night. So we're just finishing off the night with a little cozy sunset dinner out on our roof. and it's quite the process, but it's worth it.